Bathroom Remodel Trends 2026. A bathroom is no longer just a functional space. It has evolved into a personal retreat. In 2026, bathroom remodeling trends will focus on luxury, sustainability, and smart technology, making the space more comfortable and efficient than ever. Whether you're planning a minor update or a full renovation, these trends will define modern bathrooms. 1. Smart technology integration. By 2026, technology will play a major role in bathroom design. Smart mirrors with built-in LED displays, temperature-controlled showers, voice-activated lighting, and self-cleaning toilets will become standard features. Homeowners will prioritize convenience, using AI-powered systems to customize water temperature, adjust lighting moods, and even play music via voice command. 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly upgrades. Eco-conscious remodeling will be a key trend, with water-saving fixtures, energy-efficient lighting, and recycled materials becoming more popular. Expect more low-flow toilets, smart faucets that minimize water wastage, and solar-powered water heaters. Additionally, reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled glass will be favored materials for vanities, countertops, and tiles. 3. Spa-like ambience. Bathrooms in 2026 will emphasize relaxation with a spa-like feel. Rainfall showers, deep soaking tubs, aromatherapy steam showers, and heated floors will transform bathrooms into luxurious retreats. Soft ambient lighting, warm neutral colors, and natural stone textures will further enhance the calming atmosphere. 4. Bold and unique tile designs. Tiles will no longer be just functional, but a statement piece. Expect large format tiles, intricate geometric patterns, and textured surfaces. Terrazzo and metallic finished tiles will also gain popularity, adding depth and character to bathroom walls and floors. 5. Minimalist and open designs. The minimalist approach will dominate, with sleek, handleless cabinetry, floating vanities, and hidden storage solutions keeping spaces clutter-free. Open concept showers with frameless glass enclosures will create a seamless and spacious look, making small bathrooms feel larger and more inviting. 6. Statement bathtubs. Freestanding bathtubs will continue to be a focal point in luxury bathroom designs. From sculptural stone tubs to modern black and matte finish options, these tubs will not only enhance aesthetics, but also provide a relaxing experience. 7. Mixed material aesthetic. Combining different materials will be a major trend. The contrast of wood and metal, marble and concrete, or glass and stone will create a dynamic and stylish appearance. This mix of textures will add depth and uniqueness to the space. 8. Personalized vanity areas. Customized vanity setups will gain popularity, with features such as integrated LED lighting, built-in organizers, and floating shelves. Double vanities will be designed for maximum functionality, offering dedicated storage and personalized details for each user. 9. High-tech and hygienic toilets. The demand for touchless and self-sanitizing toilets will rise, with features like bidet functions, automatic lids, and UV light sterilization. These upgrades will improve hygiene while adding convenience and a touch of luxury. 10. Earthy and nature-inspired colors. Earthy tones like sage green, terracotta, and warm taupe will dominate bathroom color schemes in 2026. These shades create a cozy, inviting feel and blend well with natural materials like wood and stone. As bathroom remodels become more about enhancing comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics, these trends will help homeowners create modern, stylish, and functional spaces that feel like personal sanctuaries. Whether you embrace smart technology, sustainable materials, or spa-like elements, 2026 will be all about balancing innovation with relaxation.